Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for software sales. Whether you are selling software licenses, subscriptions, or digital downloads, Infinitepay.io offers a streamlined and secure way to handle your transactions. So let's get started. First, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the software sales section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to your software sales. Now, to set up payment processing, integrate Infinitepay.io with your software sales platform or e-commerce site. Follow the integration documentation or use the API provided by Infinitepay.io. Now configure your payment options by linking your software business to Infinitepay.io. Set up payment methods such as debit and credit cards and adjust your transaction settings to fit your sales model. Create and manage payment requests, invoices, or payment links for your software products through Infinitepay.io. Now you can even track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard, monitor payment statuses, and address any issues that arise. Ensure that your payment system complies with financial regulations and provides secure transactions for your customers. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for software sales. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your software sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.